Hello, my name is Faiza. I'm a PG diploma student of interior design here in Cindrebay School of Design. I attended Miss Olga Litinova's furniture design workshop the last 3 days that was conducted. And I must say it was very informative, very interesting. She has touched upon some major topics relating to the furniture design that taught us how to, the things that needs to be considered while designing a furniture. It's just not about the aesthetics, it's also about the environment, the comfortability, the functional aspect of a furniture design. And with the limited time that we had, she had covered a lot and very made it very interesting by giving us some fun assignments. She made us design some furnitures inspired from different objects, organic and otherwise. And it made me think about different aspects, just not from my point of view, but from a customer's point of view as well. Um, Me being from a business background and switching to a design field, which is a completely new field to me, it made me think about various things which I wouldn't think of otherwise. And with her workshop, it opened my eyes to a lot of aspects. Just like it's not about just comfort, it is also about the environment that a user is placed in or a product is placed in. And I must say that she's a very good instructor, and all of us enjoyed her sessions. It was nice being part of her workshop, and I'm also thankful to the Cindrebay for providing me this wonderful opportunity, and I also look forward to being part of her workshop again soon. Thank you.